Welcome today. You're going to learn exactly how to turn off the microphone for Facebook on your phone. This quick guide is updated for 2025, and it only takes a few moments to complete. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head to your main settings. This is the center for all your app controls, privacy features, and permissions. Scroll through the list until you find the option called Apps, or sometimes it may be shown as App Permissions, depending on the type of phone you're using. Once you're there, all of your installed apps will appear in a long list. Take a second to scroll and find Facebook. Tap on it to open a new set of options. These control what Facebook can access on your device. Next, look for Permissions. This is where the real adjustment happens. Tap Permissions, and you'll see every type of permission Facebook is currently allowed to use, from your camera to your location, storage, contacts, and more. Among those, locate the microphone option. Now, here comes the most important step. Tap Microphone, and you'll see a few choices, usually something like Allow Only while using, Ask Every Time, or Don't Allow. To completely disable microphone access, choose Don't Allow. That's it. You've just turned off the microphone for Facebook. From now on, the app won't be able to use your mic in the background or while you're scrolling through your feed. If you ever change your mind and want to use voice features again, you can reverse the steps. Just head back to the same Permissions menu and switch it to Allow. Knowing how to control your phone's app permissions gives you more privacy and a better sense of security. Small changes like this can make a big difference in protecting your personal data. Thanks for watching.